Hello, my dear children. How are you? How is everybody? I know you're all fine. I am very sure you're all fine. Today, we shall be looking at numbers before and after. We are going to look at numbers before and after. Numbers before and after. But we are going to remind ourselves. We shall remind ourselves first. Let's see if I'm to count my colored pencils here. What are we going to do? If I'm to count my colored pencils, what are we going to do? If I have just this, what do we say? How many colored pencils are these? Yes, this is just one. We say it is one. And how do we write one? Remember, we are just reminding ourselves, but we are looking at something new today. So let's see, how do we write the one? We used to write our one. I remember we did this work one time. You all did it in pre-primary or in your nursery. You did this. That was our number one. That was our number one. So this is one colored pencils, and one is just written like this. What if I don't have anything? Remember we said this one is just one. It is just one colored pencil. So in this left hand of mine, I'm holding one pencil. What if I don't have anything in this hand? I'm not holding anything. I'm holding nothing. What did we say? We said when it is nothing, we call it zero. When it is nothing, we call it zero. So let me put my zero just right here. That is our zero. That is zero. So far we have 0 and 1. Very good. What if I have, remember I had this, that is 1, and that is number 1. When I add another one, can we count them? 1, 2. So these are 2 colored pencils. And how do we write 2? How do we write 2? We write 2 like this. That is our number 2. Can everybody see that? Very good. That is our number 2. Let's count again. 1, 2. What if I put one more? Can we count together? 1, 2, 3. Those are 3 colored pencils. 3. That is number 3. Can we count first? Let's count. That was 0. We said when you have nothing, it is 0. Then we start counting. 1, 2, 3. Let's read the numbers again together. We are reading together, everybody. That is number 0. When you have nothing, then that is number 1. That is number 2. Then 3. That is 3. What if I have this? Can you count with me? 1, 2, 3, 4. Can we count again? 1, 2, 3, 4. Can we count again together? 1, 2, 3, and 4. They are 4. This is my number 4. That is number 4. What is the next number? Somebody to guess. Somebody there guess. What is the next number? Yes, it is number 5. Let's count the 5 colored pencils and see. What do they look like? How many are they supposed to be? Let's count together. 1, 2, These are 5 colored pencils. So let me put my 5 here. That is number 5. That is number 5. What is the next number? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What is the next number? Yes, somebody says 6. Is it 6? Yes, it is 6. Let me put it there. But before I put it there, let's see if we are using colored pencils or colored or sticks. How many are they supposed to be? And can we count together? Count with me. 1, 2, those are 2 so far. 3, 4, 5, and then 6. So these are 6 colored pencils. So I put my number 6. That is my number 6. That is my number 6. Aha! What if I add 1? Remember we had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. What if I add 1 more? Just 1 more. How many do I have? Can we count together, please? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. So the next number will be 7. Everybody, 7. Let me put it up. Our next number here will be 7. Remember, we're just reminding ourselves. That is number 7. We had 7 colored pencils. What if I add just 1 more? I get it, put it here. How many colored pencils shall we have? Can we count together? Yes. Can we count together? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Can we count again together? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. There are 8. So I will put my number 8 here. That is number 8. Let's read these numbers so far that we have put up. That is 0. That is 0. Remember, we don't count 0 because it is nothing. 0 means nothing. When I have nothing, it is 0. But when I start holding something in my hands, in my palms, I say this is 1 pencil, 1 colored pencil. If it's a ruler, I will say this is 1. This is 1 ruler. If it's a marker, I will still say this is 1 marker. It is 1 marker. But when I have nothing, when I don't have any marker with me, I will say it is 0. That is 0. There is nothing. There is nothing. Very good. Now let's read the numbers again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, then 7, then 8. What will be the next number? Let's see. We had our 8 colored pencils. When I add 1, I bring the 1 and put it together. What shall we have? Let's count together, please. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, then 9. Yes, that is 9. And I will put my 9 just next to 8. Because 9 comes after 8. Very good. Then, remember we had 9 colored pencils. What if I add just one more? I'm adding one more. I put it together with these ones. What do we have now? What do we have? Can we count together, class? Yes? Children, let's count together. 1, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and then 10. Let's count again. Let's count again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. I put my number 10. 10. Now, when we are counting, that is the way these numbers follow each other. That is the way the numbers follow each other. Let's just read through again together. Let's read together. Remember we said when you have nothing, it is 0. There is 0. So that is number, that is 0. Everybody says 0. Very good. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, then 7, 8, 9, 10. Today we are just going to look at those numbers. But before I pin them down, before I remove them, let's look at these numbers. Remember, this is the way they follow each other. Now, if I am to remove that one, if I'm to remove that one, I've removed something. If I'm to remove that one, what do you think will be missing here? What do you think will be missing there? What do you think will be missing? What will be the number after 7? The number after 7, from 7, when you're counting 1, 2, 3, when you're counting your numbers, which number comes after 7? Very good. That will be number 8. So, 8. 8 comes after 7. Very good. 8 comes after 7. What if I have this one? What if I remove this? What if I remove that one? What if I remove that one? And this one? What if I remove those two, my dears? What if I remove those two? Who can tell me? Let's count together. Let's count together from 1. Let's just count from 1, okay? 1, 2, 3. Which number is next? Which number is after? This number here will be the number after 3. It is the number after 3. Do you get me? After, it comes after 3. When we are counting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. When we are counting our numbers, which number comes after 3? Yes, I have seen somebody guessing. It is number 4. So number 4 comes after 3. but it comes after 3. Very good. That number comes after 3. Let's look at the next number. There is a number here that is missing. There was a number that I removed. Which number do you think it will be? Which number is it? Let's look at our numbers. We have our 4 here. It has been filled in. Let's count again and see whether it is really correct. Let's count together. That is 0. We say that is 0. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, I think 4 is correct because 4 comes after 3. Let's count again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What is here? 4, 5. Something is missing. Something is missing. This number here should be the number that comes after. The number that comes after 5. Which number is that? Which number is that? Yes. Good. That is number 6. Number 6 comes after. It comes after 5. But remember we are looking at numbers before and after. We have seen the number after, but let's also look at the number before. The number that comes before another one. Let's look at this. I am going to remove some numbers and then you will tell me, okay? Let me see. One to start with. I am going to start with this one. I have removed something and I don't want you to see it. I have removed something. Which number is supposed to be there? Now, let's look at our board. Looking at our board here, we have a dash. We have a number missing, and then we have number 8, 9, 10. There is a number missing. This number comes before. It comes before 8. It comes before 8. Okay? It comes before 8. When we are counting, which number do you count? Or which number do you mention before you get to number 8? That is the number we want here. Yes, I am giving you a chance to guess. That is the number we want here. The number that comes before 8. The number that comes before 8 is the one you want to fill in here. Which number is that? Good. You children are so bright. It is number 7. I am going to put it back and we see whether it is really correct. When I put it back, do we count 7, 8, 9, 10? Or even if we are to start from 1? Let's see if it is the right order. Let's see if it is the right order. Remember we said that is 0. That is 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yes, I can see. It is very correct because when we are counting, we mentioned 7 before 8. Very good. So 7 comes before 8. Very good. 7 comes before 8. What of the number that comes? First, close your eyes. Close your eyes and I show you something. I removed something. What did I remove? Who can tell me? Who can tell me? What number is missing? The number that comes before 10. This is number 10. But which number comes before 10? Yes? Somebody to tell me? Very good. Somebody says it is number, what did it say? Yes. Somebody says it is number 10. Let me look for it. Let me put it back. Is this number? Is it number 9? Is it number 9? Yes, I put it back. When I put it back, is it in the right position? Does it come before 10? Yes, very good, children. It comes before 10. So the number that comes before 10 is 9, because when we are counting, we say 8, 9, 10. Or we can even start from 7. We can say 7, 8, 9, 10. It comes before 10. This number can never be here. It can never be there, because we don't count and say 7, 8, 10, 9. No, it is not correct. It comes before. It comes before 10. So that is the right position of number 9. So the number that comes before, the number that comes before 10 is 9. Now, let's have examples. Let's have more examples. We shall have more examples. I want everybody to be attentive. Everybody, please be attentive. These are our numbers. Yes. Let's have a look at those ones. Just have a look at those ones. Can we look at them? Let's read together. That is 0. Everybody, 0. 1, 2. What if I remove that one and this one? And I am asked, which number comes before 1? Which number comes before 1? And which number comes after? Which number comes before 1? Before 1, and which number comes after 1? We are looking at those. We are looking at that one as our first example. We are doing it practically, and I'm using my numbers that we had so far. Who can guess? Which number should I fill in here? Which number should I fill in? The numbers before and after. So we are having our number 1. We are having our number as 1. Who can tell me which number will be here? Yes, it is going to be 0. It is going to be 0. Let me not write it because I have it here. I will put my 0 back. And then the number that comes after 1 is 2. Very good. Are we correct? Yes, I think we are correct. What if I have these ones here now? What if I have this? What if I'm having this? What if I'm having a number there? Which number is that? Which number is that? Very good. That is number 7. And we want to find out which number comes before 7 and which number comes after 7. I'm supposed to find a number that comes before 7. That is the number that is supposed to be here. And another number that is supposed to come after 7. That is the number that will come here. Who can guess? Who can guess? Which number comes before 7? When we are counting, let's count together. Let's count together, class. Children, let's count together. Remember, when we are counting our colored pencils, we started with 1 because you cannot count 0. We start with 1. Can we count together? Without even looking at our colored pencils or counting sticks, let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Which number did we talk about before we mentioned 7? Which number is that? Very good. That was number 6. I have seen somebody saying number 6. Yes, I will fix my number 6 just there. Have you seen? Very good. Number 6 comes before 7. Then let's find out if we have 6, 7, dash. What comes after? What number comes after 7? Is it 3? Is it 1? Is it 10? Is it 7? Can 7 come after 7? Is it 6? Is it 8? Is it 4? Yes, count and find out. Try to count and find out. This time we are not going to count together. Count and tell me yes. Aha, very good. Somebody says it is number 8. Let's try and see. If we have 6, 7, 8. Is it true? Do we go to 8? Very good. You are correct. Somebody says yes. You are very bright children. I will put my number 8. Very good. Let's count together and see. 6, 7, 8. Are we correct? Yes, we are very correct. Very, very correct. Now, we have done something today. Next is our activity. And you will fill in the numbers before and after, okay? I am very sure all of you will get it correct because it is a very simple exercise. It is something that we have done. And remember, I must look at your books when you have everything correct. I need neat work. Write neatly. Please be neat. Don't forget that I'm coming to look at your work, and don't forget that you must be neat. So get out your books and get ready for the activity. Very good, children. Thank you very much. We are back, and that is our activity. And what does the activity tell us to do? Let's read together. Find the numbers before and after. Let's read again. Find the numbers before and after. We are to find the numbers before and after, just like we have been doing this. This time, you're writing the number before and the number after. Let's look at the activity. Part A says, dash, 3, dash, dash, 3, dash. Which number do you think will be there? Which number comes before 3? We have to fill it in there. If you are counting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and so on, what number comes before 3? It is the number you're supposed to write here. I am just going to help you with just one number, the first one I think. Let's just do one number together and I will leave you to do all these other numbers, okay? Very good. Let's look at the first one. It says dash, 3, dash. Which number is supposed to be here and there? When we are counting, number 2. Number 2 comes before 3. So I will write 2. I will write 2 like that. We must put commas. These are commas. This is a comma to separate these two numbers. I put a comma here. So we have 2, 3, dash. Which number comes after? Which number comes after 3? Which number comes after 3? When you are counting 1, 2, 3, when you're counting your numbers, which number will come after 3? It is the number we want you to write here. So when I am counting, I start from 1, 2, 3, then 4. So when I'm counting, I come from 3, then get to 4. So my missing number here will be 4. So I am going to write 4. So I have 2, 3, 4. Very good. I am going to give you time. You fill in all these ones. But we shall first read together. Can we read together, please? B. Our part B says dash. 9, dash. Which number comes before 9 and which number comes after 9? You fill it in. Very good. Part C. Let's see. Part C. What does it say? We have a dash, 5, and a dash. Which number comes before 5 and which number comes after 5? Very simple, very simple. We go to part D. We have a dash, 1, a dash. Which number comes before 1 and which number comes after 1? You fill them in. Very good. We go to the last one. I've given you just 4 numbers. 1, 2, 3. I did the first one for you. I did the first one for you. We have